Are there too many virtual tour photographers? Is it too late to start? Can you still make money with virtual tours? And if so, how? Virtual tours have never been more popular. This year, there's been a huge surge of interest for obvious reasons. And now there are a lot more people who want to do virtual tours. Some of them are realtors. You might be one yourself. And the truth is that creating a virtual tour is not that difficult, especially with 360 cameras these days. In fact, there are agencies that are willing to do virtual tour services for dirt cheap prices. And as more people find out about virtual tours, the competition will only get tougher. In this environment, how do you compete? Well, let me tell you about this restaurant. It's a little hole in the wall in LA that serves ramen. It's called Daikokuya. First of all, the parking. It's near the heart of downtown LA, so parking is not easy to find, and when you do find it, it can be a little bit expensive. Well, what about the ambiance? Well, it's a small restaurant with kind of old furniture, and it's not romantic, if let's put it that way. It's also cash only, and there are no reservations. You have to fall in line. Let me tell you about the line. If you go there at an odd hour, like 3 p.m. or something, the line is like an hour long. If you go there in peak hours, then the line is 2 hours. Why are all these people lining up for ramen? Well, let's start with the broth. They don't serve the usual dark shoyu soy sauce based soup. Instead, they use a special broth made from pork bones that have been boiled for 12 hours. So it comes out really rich and flavorful. It's very satisfying. And you know that slice of pork that they serve with ramen, the chashu pork that can be sometimes a little bit tough? Well, Daikokuya uses Kurobuta or Berkshire pork. And if you've never had it, it's the world's best pork. Extremely flavorful and super tender. You barely have to bite into it. It just melts into your mouth into an explosion of flavor. It's really good. And of course, the egg. It looks just like a regular egg that you find on ramen that's been marinated in tea leaves and has this kind of brown color. Well, it looks like that. But when you pick it up with your chopsticks, you find it's actually very soft. And when you bite into its tender egg white, inside you'll find yolk of the perfect consistency. Like exactly perfectly between hard-boiled egg and soft-boiled egg. It's just like barely liquid with a deep bronze color. It's amazing. Obviously, the people lining up for Daikokuya know that there are a ton of ramen restaurants everywhere, especially in LA. But as far as they're concerned, Daikokuya has no competition. This brings me back to my original point. How do you compete? By providing value that your competitors cannot. How? Well, I call it the HQ method. It's a process for getting excellent image quality quickly and reliably using the right software and the right technique. Let me tell you what it is not. This is not just a rehash of common techniques. I've written over 2,500 articles on 360 cameras in VR, and I can tell you that I haven't seen anyone teach anything like this at all. And I talked about software, but this is not just about buying the right software. You can buy this software, you might even already have it, but you won't get these results without the techniques in this course. And yes, these days, there are many people offering 360 photo editing services on Fiverr. But even if you have an army of these guys, they won't be able to do the things you're going to learn from this course. You'll learn skills such as these. totally seamless stitching, even in extremely tight spaces. Horrible stitching errors, gone in seconds. Glare and color casts, no problem. And you can even get the right color grading. How to get deep window pull downs without unpleasant brush strokes. How to get ideal stitching easily and automatically, as good as a DSLR panel, sometimes even better. Learn a unique method to get super smooth stitching with invisible stitch lines, even when the stitching is not perfect. And more. Again, no expensive cameras required. In fact, no subscription based software required. And when you have all these skills together, you'll be able to do what 99% of other virtual tour photographers cannot do. In other words, you'll be able to provide value to your client that your competitors cannot. Now that seems like a lot of skills to learn. How long will it take to learn all this stuff? Well, I designed this course so that you can learn it all very quickly. So I go straight to the point, no fluff. All these skills that I talked about and more, I've condensed into 26 video lessons with a total runtime of just 4.5 hours. So if you're really focused, you can actually learn it all in one day. Overnight, you will become an advanced virtual tour photographer. Now, how would you like to know the 3 elements of the HQ method? Check out the link below. I'll see you in 360.